The Stealth ECV05P2 Wet Dry Vacuum is equipped with a robust 5.5 peak horsepower motor, providing exceptional suction power for tackling tough cleaning tasks. With a spacious 5-gallon polypropylene tank, this vacuum offers ample storage space to meet your daily cleaning needs efficiently. This versatile vacuum offers 3 functionalities, allowing it to handle wet cleaning, dry cleaning, and even function as a blower for various household cleaning tasks. Its user-friendly design includes 4 casters for easy mobility, a large top handle for convenient carrying, and onboard storage for accessories, making it highly practical for everyday use. The vacuum features an impressive cleaning reach of over 25 feet, thanks to its long hose, power cord, and extension wands, enabling thorough cleaning without frequent unplugging. Included with the vacuum are essential accessories like a floor brush, gulper nozzle, and crevice nozzle, along with reliable filters and a dust bag, all backed by a 2-year limited warranty.